The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kingston Police Department. At 9:45 p.m. 5 terrorists have entered the 21st train station and opened fire. The train that had one terrorist in it has also arrived at that same destination. They are opening fire on everyone that they see. They have left the scene. They are heading to an unknown location. Stay indoors at all times. These people are very dangerous and are heavily armed. Stay away from Kingston 21st train station or any railroads. The police are having trouble securing the situation. This message will repeat. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kingston Police Department. At 10:02 p.m. the terrorists have boarded the subway and drove it to the Kingston Marriott Inn. The Kingston Marriott Inn is a city attraction that is highly populated. The terrorists had entered the back and opened fire. 30 casualties are expected in the restaurant. They are moving up to the second floor and is breaking in rooms and killing the people in them. They have caused a massive fire on the first floor and the top floor. At this time avoid Berlin Street or anywhere near the Kingston Marriott Hotel. Please stay tuned to news and information on this dangerous situation. This message will repeat in 3 minutes. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kingston Police Department. At 10:10 p.m. an hostage situation has begun at the Kingston Marriott Hotel. Over 150 people are confirmed to be hostages. The fire is still spreading throughout the building and the police are having trouble getting into the building. The police are making contacts with the terrorists but are having trouble fully understanding them. Anyone near this area should shelter in place. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, move to a shelter as soon as you can. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Avoid Berlin Street in Kingston and avoid the Kingston Marriott Hotel. It has been reported that small explosions are occurring throughout the building and the building is filled with thick smoke. If you are in the hotel room and the shooter is nearby, lock the door and use firearms to protect yourself as a last resort. If you think you can't make it out through a window or small balcony without getting caught, do so. Please stay out of the way of police or paramedics unless you are injured. Only use cellular communications as a last resort to communicate. If you have any information on the shooter's whereabouts, call the Kingston non-emergency line at 735 not a real number 926-7528. Please stay tuned to news and information on this dangerous situation. This message will repeat. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kingston Police Department. At 12 a.m. the police have entered the second floor and a battle is breaking out between police and the terrorists. It's been discovered that the terrorists are lead gunmen. They are shooting all the hostages that they have in the possession. However, some of them have escaped down to the second floor. Smoke and fire is still an issue and the fire department is still having trouble containing the fires. It's also been discovered that they have possessions of a biological weapon in Kingston. Please consider evacuation as it is considered to be very powerful. This message will repeat. The message is transmitted at the request of the Kingston Police Department. At 12:30 a.m. the Kingston Hotel has collapsed due to the spreading fire that erupted 2 hours ago as soon as the shooting began. Unfortunately, the fire department failed to defuse the fire due to traffic and the terrorists were shooting at the trucks. Multiple moderate explosions have occurred after the hotel had collapsed. In addition, the small biological weapon has been set off. 5 buildings on Berlin Street and the Berlin Beach are being affected. Evacuate if you are near or can see the destroyed hotel. The police department and other professional police are assisting in helping the victims in the hotel. The Kingston Police Department thanks everyone including citizens that are assisting in helping the victims. Please stand by for an automated administrative message. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry for what has been caused. The battle is over. The battle is won. And the